Good afternoon, I'm Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I wanted to welcome you to 315 Pietra in Caldwell, Idaho. 1,254 square foot home built in 2002 with 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a split floor plan. Vinyl siding, covered front porch, has this nice lamp out front. Nice landscaping. Newer roof. Notice the nice wide driveway. A lot of the builders now, they're only pouring the concrete to right here on the inside of the garage door to right here. So you've got an extra couple feet over here on the side, which is really nice. Good look at the neighborhood. I like the nice curved archway up to the front here. This is fully fenced and landscaped, sprinkler system, low cost irrigation water. There's a spigot over here in the front, which is nice. And again, newer roof. So the house was built in 2002. It's a nice feature. Here's that covered patio, and notice there are rain gutters as well. The vented eaves. This has the storm door. I like these. You can lock it there and leave that open, or pull down the slide up here and get some fresh air in the house. Now, this floor plan is super popular. It was originally called the McCall, and there were several versions of it. This particular one, I mean, there's zero wasted square footage. We got the vaulted ceilings in here with the ceiling fans, recessed can lighting in the kitchen. Nice dining space here. Your breakfast bar, cabinets. Nice deep white sink with the stainless steel over a nice tall sprayer here. Electric range and microwave. Bosch dishwasher, which is a nice feature. From what I understand, one of the best brands for dishwashers. The fridge is negotiable. And I'll take you out to the backyard last. We'll head over here to the master area, and we have the laundry area and access to the garage. A little coat closet here. I have seen people convert this to an additional pantry space if you wanted to. Honeywell thermostat. Another kind of a linen closet off of the master here, which is very convenient. Master also with a ceiling fan. Side of the home, nice and private, neutral paint colors. And we'll head into the bathroom. You have the raised vanity with dual sinks in here, a window, the elongated raised height toilet, Kohler brand. It's very nice to have a window in the bathroom like that with the rain glass. Not a bad view out in the back either. I've added a medicine cabinet here, as you can see there. Very nice. Kind of the marble looking countertop. It is a laminate. And a huge walk-in closet. This wraps all the way around with some deep built-ins here as well. Vinyl flooring in there. Oh, notice the detachable sprayer wand on the shower, which is a nice feature as well. So split floor plan, I mean, you've got the private master over here and 2 more bedrooms over here, plus your guest bathroom. Pretty standard. Does have the elongated toilet in there and sprayer wand as well. Next bedroom, notice there is another linen closet here. This is the smallest of the bedrooms. Measurements are online. Closet. Notice that it's got the wood wrap here, 2.5-inch faux blinds. And the next bedroom here that looks out to the backyard. Okay, now I'm going to take you out to the garage. Okay, heading out to the garage now. I've got a fan going out here. They've got this fan up there on the wall to circulate the air in here. It's on a switch. Nice wide garage door, extra fluorescent lighting added. Notice they've got a little stopper here, kind of keeps you from running into your furnace, but they've also got the security bars here for that. Your furnace and water heater. Here's the fan I was talking about. So it's just easy to turn off there. And pretty decent sized garage. We'll take you out to the rear yard now. So again, nice screen door here. And we've got this covered patio here. This is just one of those kind of store-bought ones, and take that down or remove it, whatever you want to do. It's got the extended concrete out here, plus the pavers that have been done along the back side of the house as well. I like that. Keeps the water from entering. Same with the grates here around the vents. Just a smart feature to have. Flowers are just starting to pop. Got a little bird nest up in the tree. Shed is included. And there's another good look at that new roof. Fully fenced, stained across this whole backside here, which is nice. Protects the longevity of your fencing. Full sprinkler system, low cost irrigation water. It's nice that there's a spigot out here and that it's nice and far away from everything. Beautiful trees, they're just starting to bloom. And the side of the house, nothing real special over here, but it's where they keep their trash cans. And there is a man door off of the garage. That's what they call them here in Idaho. And I think that and full rain gutters. I think that pretty much concludes the tour. If you'd like more information, contact your agent. Or if you're not working with anybody, feel free to call me, Sean Taylor at Silver Creek Realty Group. Thank you very much.